Aku aja lah.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, today we will make a video about our peer review. We are from Group 8 Scientific Writing. I am Muhammad Hadi Alifti as the moderator, and they are Fauzanala Farhain, Tiwi Sartika, and Sylvie Darleli from our group. Okay, for the first is my annotated bibliography. Okay, I will share screen. Okay, guys, are you see my annotated bibliography?
Yes.
Okay, for the first, this is my first journal that take the title "The Use of Diary Writing to Improve 8th Grade Students' Writing Skill at SMP Negeri 3 Malang." You can read for a while to review my annotated bibliography. Okay, guys, have you read my first annotated bibliography?
Yes, I have.
Okay, we start. Okay, I will take 2 minutes for the chance you read the annotated to read my annotated bibliography. Okay, and this is my second annotated bibliography that take from the journal that titled "The Role of Vocabulary Learning Strategies in Enhancing EFL Learners' Writing Skills." Okay, please read my annotated bibliography so you can review my annotated bibliography. Okay, guys, have you read all of my annotated bibliography?
Yes, I have.
Okay, who wants to be the first reviewer?
TV.
Okay, TV, time and place are yours.
Okay, thank you, Hadid. My name is TV. I want to give my peer review about your annotated bibliography. For the first journal, I think the similarity of your annotated bibliography is same, but for the citation, you can make the citation. I mean, you can write the citation, and the explanation about your journal is different sentence. So you can write the citation first, and then you can press enter once more. So we have to read your explanation about the annotated bibliography can clearly. And then the last is the note of the explanation about your annotated bibliography like for number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and different color. You write below the explanation about your journal. So I just give my advice. I want to give you my advice about my advice. The notes, I think you can write the first paragraph before your annotated bibliography. So the reader can understand about what is the colors meaning of your annotated bibliography. For all about your for all of your annotated bibliography was complete, I just give my advice about the structure of your annotated bibliography. I think that's all. Back to Hadid.
Okay, thank you, TV. Thank you for your review. So, Sylvia and Nala, have you a review for my annotated bibliography?
No, I
No.
think good, so good, so good.
Okay, so we will next to the second annotated bibliography. This is TV's work. Okay. Okay, I will take around 2 minutes to you for read the annotated bibliography. Okay, guys, have you read all the annotated bibliography from TV? Hello, guys.
Me, have TV is hard to read because of the color. Wonderful. Is read the colorful.
My opinion is about TV's work is she made a color code, but she don't make the explanation what is the means of the color.
I made.
Where?
You can check the first paragraph.
Oh yes, in the
Yes.
first.
True.
Okay. But I think the annotated is complete and effective. Not too long, not too short, and it so I think it's can describe the whole of journal. How about Sylvie? Have you another review for TV's work?
Pakai bahasa Indonesia aja ya.
Boleh.
Menurut pendapat aku sih ya, seharusnya kan kalau misalkan kita mereview seperti ini kan dijelasin dulu maksud dari yang warna birunya ini apa, yang kuningnya ini apa, gitu ya. Jadi kan biar pembacanya lebih paham gitu.
Saya sudah membuatnya di atas tadi sama pertanyaannya Kak Hadi.
Mungkin maksudnya si Sylvie apa kurang saya citation ini untuk apa gitu. Sama kayak sama kayak punya aku juga tadi kan apa kurang juga sih, cuman gambaran umumnya aja gitu. Ini apa.
Okay. Thank you guys.
Okay, enough for TV's work.
Enough.
So we will review Sylvie's work, I think. Okay, this is Sylvie's work. Wait, can you see Sylvie's work? Sylvie's work.
Yes, I can.
Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
We will take 2 minutes for read Sylvie's annotative bibliography.
Jadi sebelum memfeedback, aku mau jelasin tentang annotatedku ini Kak. Yang pertama itu, Dit boleh ke bawah, Dit.
Oke, ke bawah. Yang mana? Nih.
Oh iya, bentar. Nah, udah atas, Dit.
Oh. Oke. Never.
Yang pertama itu kan ada citation-nya. Kayak misalkan Utami Widiati dan Bambang Yudi Cahyono 2006, The Teaching of EFL Writing in the Indonesian Context, The State of the Art. Jadi aku mengambil dari Jurnal Ilmu Pendidikan, volume 13, nomor 3, halaman 139 sampai dengan 150. Di introduction-nya ini dalam artikel ini, Utami dan kawan-kawan meninjau perkembangan penelitian dan pengajaran penulisan EFL saat ini dan menguraikan tren masa depan bidang investigasi. Dan yang nomor 3 ini kan, the authors use data gain through EFL writing in Indonesia for providing an overall analysis. Jadi itu maksudnya penulis menggunakan data yang diperoleh melalui penulisan EFL di Indonesia untuk memberikan analisis secara keseluruhan. Nomor 4 itu, the research focus on the model of writing process include those which examine the effectiveness of the process approach and more particularly various intervention strategies such as conferencing, peer feedback provision, and collaborative work. Jadi maksud nomor 4 ini, artikel ini bermanfaat untuk topik penelitian saya dengan menyarankan bahwa ada apakah ujiannya terbatas pada publikasi yang melaporkan praktik pengajaran atau penelitian penulisan EFL. Nomor 5 ini, the article is useful to my research topic such as salah. Nomor 6 ini, the main limitation of this article is that the survey sample is meaningless, meaning that all students in Indonesian are allowed to write. Maksud yang nomor 6 ini, keterbatasan utama dari artikel ini adalah bahwa sampel survei adalah tidak ada artinya. Artinya semua siswa di Indonesia diperbolehkan untuk menulis. Nomor 7 ini, thus the authors indicate the further more extensive research needs to be better understanding of EFL writing and conducting studies in Indonesia. More extensive research needs to be better understanding of EFL writing and conducting studies with the best and most appropriate design of prior studies so that findings can be compared. As comparability across studies might lead to generalizable conclusions, writing research are in a position leading the way in considering the universal of writing, at least in the Indonesian context. Jadi maksud nomor 7 ini dengan demikian penulis menunjukkan bahwa penelitian lebih lanjut, lebih luas, perlu pemahaman yang lebih baik tentang penulisan ISL atau EFL dan melakukan penelitian dengan desain penelitian sebelumnya yang terbaik dan sesuai sehingga temuan dapat dibandingkan. Dan yang terakhir, this article will not form the basis of my research. However, it will be useful supplementary information for my research on writing research and teaching, elaborate future trends of this area investigation. Jadi yang terakhir ini maksudnya artikel ini tidak akan menjadi dasar penelitian saya, namun akan menjadi informasi tambahan yang berguna untuk penelitian saya tentang penulisan penelitian dan pengajaran. I think that's all from my explanation about my annotated bibliography. I think if you want to kritik my annotated, saya persilakan.
Okay, so for TV and Nala, have you any review for Sylvie annotated bibliography?
Tiwi Sartika did want to give my feedback.
What? Can you repeat, Tiwi?
Tiwi want to give my feedback about
Okay.
Sylvie's.
Tiwi,
Annotated
you can review about Sylvie's work.
Okay, Hadi, thank you. Can you scroll the annotated bibliography? Okay. Same with Hadi. I think the notes you can write before your explanation about your journal. For the second journal, you make the different paragraph. I think was good. But for the first journal, you didn't write same with second journal. And then thank you for your nice explanation. But the reader can understand about what is annotated bibliography, because all of us have learned about this annotated bibliography. So Sylvie, you may not explain about your citation. I mean about your annotated bibliography because was the time, but your reader was understand about how to write annotated bibliography. So the reader understand about what is the meaning of each number that you sign in your journal. I think that's all. The full same with Hadid. Thank you. Back to Hadith.
Okay, thank you for TV's review. So we will go to the last annotated bibliography that work by Fauza. Wait, please. Okay. This is Fauza's work. You can read around 1 minute, I think. Okay. Can you read all? Okay.
Yes, I have.
Okay. Have you read Fauza's work?
Yes, I have.
Okay. First, I want to review in your annotated bibliography, you just include summary, evaluation, and reflection. But in my opinion, if when we start learning in scientific class last week, yeah, we will make annotated bibliography as like apa standard, APA standard, like 3 works before, I think. So not like summary, evaluation, and reflection. But I don't know, is it the right format or not for annotated bibliography? But I think that your work, if like this, the format is, I think this is a good work. Kalau misalnya memang formatnya yang begini. How about you, Tiwi and Sylvie?
Okay, thank you, Hadid. In my opinion, the format is easy to understand, but we cannot see the coloration of each other, like citation, introduction, and etc. Nala just write about like the summary of each point. So Nala wrote the subpoint like this, like summary, evaluation, reflection. But honestly, this is easy to understand, but we can see the correlation of each other, of each point. And then for the citation, Nala didn't wrote about citation. So if we didn't learn about annotated bibliography, we cannot understand about what is the part of citation like that. I think the subpoint Nala can add some color because this is just black and no color, so the reader not easy, the reader not fresh to read your annotated bibliography because we have like all back to Hadith.
Okay, so how about Sylvie and Nala? Have you peer back about the review, or you can explain Nala about our review? Okay, who wants to be first? Okay, Sylvie, time and place are yours.
Okay, thank you to Adit. I think annotated Fauza is good and complete and easy to understand. The annotated, the journal that Fauza Focus is also the latest journal created by the author. So that's very good. I think that's all from my critique to Fauza.
Okay, how about Nala? If you have any opinion that back our review, you can told us. I think.
Mm.
No. Okay. Thank you for all your participants about our peer review of annotated bibliography. Thank you very much for your attention and exchange. Oke, billahi taufik walhidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.